Ever wonder why your stomach growls when you're hungry? It's not just your stomach begging for food. Your gut is always moving, pushing air and fluids through your digestive system. When your stomach's empty, those contractions get louder. That rumbling sound, it's called borborygmi. Yep, that's a real word. And it happens whether you're hungry or not. But hunger just makes you notice it more. It's totally normal, and no, your stomach isn't trying to embarrass you. Hungry for more weird body facts? Follow your daily dose for more.